Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Woodhaven, a charming neighborhood nestled in the heart of Winnipeg, Manitoba. This community is known for its peaceful atmosphere and beautiful tree-lined streets, offering a perfect blend of residential living and natural beauty. Woodhaven was named for the lush wooded areas that once surrounded the area, providing a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The neighborhood's development began in the mid-20th century, with many homes built in the 1950s and 1960s, giving it a classic suburban charm. Located in the southwest part of Winnipeg, Woodhaven is bordered by the Red River to the east, offering residents scenic views and recreational opportunities. Whether you're taking a stroll through the neighborhood or enjoying the nearby parks, Woodhaven is a wonderful place to call home. Winnipeg is the capital and largest city of Manitoba. It is often referred to as the Gateway to the West due to its central location in Canada and its historical significance as a trading and transportation hub. The city's name comes from the Cree word Win-Nippy, meaning muddy waters, referring to the murky waters of the Red River that flows through the heart of the city. Winnipeg played a crucial role in the fur trade and later became a major railway center, which spurred its growth and development in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Winnipeg is situated at the confluence of the Red and Assiniboine rivers in the heart of the Canadian prairies. The rivers offer scenic walking and biking trails, while nearby parks like Assiniboine Park and the Forks provide lush green spaces for relaxation and recreation. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Winnipeg, Manitoba, a city where history, culture, and modernity come together to create a dynamic and inviting destination. Thanks for watching.